Hi, it's Charles at Empress Mills, and today we are taking a quick look at the Prym Love micro-serrated scissors. I don't know if you've seen one of our previous videos, but we have covered the standard Prym micro-serrated, and these are similar, but they come in the Prym Love Pink. They are slightly different because they are from a different manufacturer, and we do get questions about are they the same, do they work the same, are they as good as each other, etc, etc. And we thought we would do a quick video mirroring slightly the one we did previously, just to say that yes, in fact, they are. The thing you should know about Prym is that despite the fact they bring out despite is wrong, that although they bring out, let's say, different sort of sub-brands, so there's the Prym Love range, for example, which is a bit prettier than their standard collection. It's got sort of this nice pink, and it's also got a mint polka dot livery as well. Although they bring out these different sub-brands, the quality across all of the brands is the same. They are very, very particular about the quality of their items, and basically their team will not let an item come out to the general sewing market without it meets their high quality standards, and I can't stress that enough. So when we get this question, that is the sort of answer you would receive from us if you emailed us, but we just thought we'd take a look at them. They are a popular little pair of scissors anyway, and they are interesting with this micro-serrated finish. So, straight on with it. What is micro-serration? Basically, it means that one of the blades has had a micro-serrated finish applied, so it's got more of a jagged tooth. Very, very difficult to see with the naked eye, don't get me wrong, but that tooth allows the scissors to grip the fabric as you're cutting it, which makes it absolutely fantastic for any slippery fabrics like lining fabrics, silks, anything along those sort of lines. Any shiny fabrics, these are the kind of scissors you want to go for, just to make life that little bit easy when you're cutting it. It also makes life easy when you're cutting multiple layers, which we'll see in a moment. But first of all, I've got one of our particularly slippy and slidey fabrics, as you can see. And this is the same fabric type that we used when we did the previous video on the standard. I say standard, Prym, the other serrated scissors that Prym do are called their professional quality, but to me, they're both on a level, they really, really are. So, let me just show you these. So as I say, there's this serrated tooth all the way along the blade, and when you cut this slippy fabric, it just holds it in place as you're going along, and hopefully you'll be able to see that. So there is just no movement at all, and it's brilliant because it allows you to work with these tricky fabrics where normally there'd be movement and there is none. Prym, again, very particular. They will cut right from the very base, right from the very joint of the blade right through to the tip without problem. That is not a problem you're ever going to run into with Prym scissors. They will always do that. But that's the real key feature with these, that they will grip the fabric, and as soon as they've got hold of the fabric, you can get right to the tip without causing any problems. It's brilliant. The other thing with the serrated blades, as I mentioned, is they are great for cutting multiple layers of fabric. Here, I've got these denim fabrics, which are doubled up, and we've got 1, 2, 3, with 4 of them, so there's 8 layers of denim in that stack, and it's a nice sort of mid-weight denim. And let me just show you how it cuts that. And again, it's not just that it'll cut it, which is amazing anyway, it's that it holds them so you can cut in a nice straight line. Let me just get this for you. Hopefully we're seeing that. And it just lets you cut right to the edge, and away you go. It's wonderful, it really, really is, the way it cuts. So with layers, the scissors themselves, obviously they're limited in terms of the fact that they are scissors, but they'll let you get all the way along, which is absolutely super when you're cutting with them. And it will hold those layers so they're not moving while you're cutting, which is magic really. It's something completely different with scissors. In terms of the overall quality, I've already mentioned that the blade is super in terms of being serrated and in terms of cutting from base to tip. The handles are ergonomically designed, so they are comfy. They've got a slightly softer element within them, so if you're cutting over long periods, it will stay comfortable. And there is this nice large hole, so you can make sure you get plenty of fingers through, and that just lets you put plenty of even pressure on when you're cutting with them. I hope that has been of use. If you have any questions at all, you know what to do. Please, please, please get in touch. We will be delighted to answer them, whether it is on haberdashery, thread, fabric, anything at all. You can leave a comment under the video, you can email through the website, or please don't hesitate, pick up the phone, have a chat with either me or one of the Empress team. We'd be pleased to help. Once again, I hope that's been of use. Thank you very much indeed for watching. See you again soon. Bye bye.